Welcome back. All right, well, you guessed it. It's another year, and it's summertime. So what does that mean? Boat season. Now, the boat's been stored at Pappy's house for at least 6 or 7 months. Now, it had the cover that was on it, and you'll see that in the shop footage, but obviously it doesn't protect it from all the dirt and everything else. Now, I did go ahead and start, and we're gonna restain some of our wood, but let's show you what we got to work with. There's a lot of pressure in here. Okay, got mine. $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean? So we did get the boat in the shop. We had to move a whole bunch of stuff out. CJ will hopefully show that on the security footage. Look how dirty this thing got. And you know, these seats were like new when we got it. The batteries did stay charged, so we got that. That's still hooked up and working. That was a rope that was just sitting there just covered in dirt. All those pieces came from the top. Then I think all our life jackets and stuff are left from the last trip. So all this stuff needs to get cleaned up. CJ has to edit the video. Troy needs to come work on his Jeep. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna pull everything out and clean it up. What was I came over here for a specific purpose. Oh yeah, our subwoofer's about to fall out, so that box needs to be redone. We'll probably go ahead and mount some seat cushions this round. What did I come on this side to show? I forgot. Amplifier needs to be tuned or worked on because it was cutting out last time we were working. I want to chop off the front of this thing and put our bulldog hitch that we have on there. Don't know if that's going to happen. Oh, we're trying to go out tomorrow. We're trying to get a bunch done before we go out tomorrow. To go out tomorrow, we have to clean it and do inventory and find out, make sure we have everything we need, and then I'll stain some of this wood. That being said, since I completely forgot what I was gonna show you, oh, here's the wood before, and then you'll see the after when it's done. Maybe we'll put some GoPro mounts and CJ will start skiing. We'll see. All right, hopefully CJ will set up the GoPro camera so we can have better videos. This is what I have to work with. We gotta clean out all of the life jackets and stuff in here. Get them all organized. All these seats fell over. Cobwebs everywhere. So get everything out. Hopefully we'll have it all clean by tomorrow. But I'm gonna do this. Have the time lapse on the security camera. So yeah. Alright, so CJ's scrubbing. We got all our life jackets over there, seats out. We gotta do some vacuuming here. I pulled some more wood pieces out and I'm staining them over there. The veneer is broken on that lower piece that goes under here, so I'm gluing it back together. Batteries are charged, so I think I want to try and start it and see what we're looking like for fuel and those things. So let's find a good location. We got a lot of vacuuming to do. But still, I think I'm going to replace some of these gauges. All right, we're on. So pump it. No. how do we do the fuel pump? Oh, you know, I think that's one of my problems. We need to figure out the fuel pump. Okay, what did I have the fuel pump with? Wasn't it connected to the accessory? Oh, I didn't put the fuel pump on the switch. Great. Oh, shit. Okay, now I see we completely bypassed the fuel pump. All right, well, so it should start. We're gonna give it a little push here. Cutoff switch wasn't plugged in all the way. All right, we can't run it for very long because we don't have water hooked up, but all right, fuel's not looking terrible. I mean, it's not even moving. I hope we're not running off starting fluid. Okay, well, it popped right off. Seems to be idling pretty well. Obviously, we can't run it for that long, so I'm just gonna shut it off. After we get it all cleaned up, I'll hook it up to water and see if we got any leaks in the block, because you know we did have that freeze. So, all right, I'm satisfied. Now I just have to remember what my solution was for the fuel, because I don't remember what I was going to do. Have you come to inspect? We're not done yet. What are you doing? Blue, say hi. Blue, say hi. Blue, say hi. Trying to get on the ladder? Blue, where do you think you're going? Trying to destroy all my stuff or what? Blue, say hi. Blue, say hi. Blue, say hi. Blue, say hi. Blue, Blue, say hi. You're a worthless cat. There's nothing to see in there. CJ's working hard.
Can I stand on this?
Yeah, let's see what happens when you stand on it. The boat might go up in the air because you're so fat. You don't have enough weight in the front. Anyway, CJ's cleaning the top. Be careful with that because it's only held by a little piece of wood. So don't put a whole lot of pressure on there. You can't eat dinner until you clean that. So you better hurry. Dinner's ready. Alright, so I'm out here in the parts boat and I'm going to pull some of these gauges out before it gets too dark in here. So we remember how these gauges go, because eventually I'm probably going to pull a wiring harness. Actually, I'll probably make a custom wiring harness for work. And I don't know, this is the temp gauge. Like, what is that? What is that? And why is it hooked to the temp gauge? Oh, we're not even recording. Okay, yeah, so I was gonna say I think this is voltage regulator. Then why does it have a jumper for the other hot wires? Before, after. Not really. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the before and after staining these pieces. So that's why I waited to stain these so we could see exactly what these look like, because I didn't sand these at all, so they're pretty rough. I may sand those. Anyway, so the blue kind of matches the blue stripes in the cushions, and that's why we did that. We're outside, about to do op test. CJ cleaned all the seats. He vacuumed the inside. He's about to put the seats in. I pulled the subwoofer out. It might get back in before we leave. We're about to do an op test. So I got the hose hooked up. CJ, turn ignition on. Okay, now lower the trim. Lower the outdrive. All right, that's good. Maybe a little more. That's good. Okay. Now let's go turn the water on. Here, you can tell them what you did.
So I put in that seat, cleaned those seats, cleaned down there.
Okay, we have 3/4 of the tank. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we need to open this and see if we have any leaks. I didn't clean this very good. I didn't clean that one very good either. What happened? Okay, let's see if we got any leaks. Okay, saw something, thought water leaking. You can see it's filling up there. So something over on this side's leaking. I'm gonna take this panel off and figure out what's going on. That looks really bad. The whole block is cracked. The whole block is cracked. Like.
Hey guys, me again for another outro. So basically recap. While I was at Pappy's house for, what, 6-7 months, he had put a heater in it, but I guess it didn't work or something because the block still cracked over the winter. So with that cracked, we couldn't go in the water, and I was pretty sad about it. We spent a day and a half fixing up the boats and getting all nice and clean, cleaning off all the seats, except for that one part. But it was a lot of work and effort, and I kind of bummed out that we didn't get to go after all. But the good thing is we still went to Pappy's house and we hung out there. Now the boat's at Dave's. I think it's being fixed or sitting so we can fix it. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on the video and share it with your friends. We would really appreciate that. And until next time, I'll see you in the comments.